أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear students, my dear viewers, today I am making video for the rules of Meem Sakinah. So this rule is a very important to know about that, how to recite that. So I will tell you that in this video Izhar Shafwi, number 2 Idgham Shafwi, and number 3 Ikhfa Shafwi. So please, this is my humble request to all of you, those who want to teach online Quran in all over the world in English and Urdu. Please watch this video completely and share it as much as you can on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. The rules of Meem Sakinah: number 1 Izhar Shafwi, number 2 Idgham Shafwi, and number 3 Ikhfa Shafwi. Number 1 Izhar Shafwi. If any letter except Meem and Ba comes after Meem Sakinah, it will be read normally without any gunna. Okay. Akhahum Saliha, Akhahum Saliha. You should focus on after Meem Sakinah because Sad letter is coming after Meem Sakinah. Okay, you make Izhar Shafwi here. Akhahum Saliha. This is a Waqfa Lazim. This sign is Waqfa Lazim. Minhum Tuqah. Right? You make Izhar here after Meem Sakinah. Ha is coming, total letter is coming, so you make Izhar. And after Izhar, okay, after Meem Sakinah, Ta is coming. Okay, so you make Izhar Shafwi here. Minhum Tuqah. Number 2 point Idgham Shafawi. If two Meem, double Meem comes together at the same time, then these are merged to one another and idgham will take place with a nasal sound. Ilaykum mursalun. Okay, you should focus after Meem Sakinah, another Meem is appearing. Okay, so you make Idgham Shafwi here. Ilaykum mursalun. Number 3 Ikhfa Shafawi. If the letter Ba comes after Meem Sakinah, then we hide the sound of Meem into Ba and Ikhfa will take place with a nasal sound. Okay, okay, you should focus after Meem Sakinah because the Ba is appearing. So you make Ikhfa Shafwi. Qum bi'idhnillah. Qum bi'idhnillah. Okay. Waqf, stop. Okay, this is the stop sign here. The proper pausing waqf and starting ibtida while reciting is essential for a reader of glorious Quran. With an improper pause or start at a word or verse, the meaning of a sentence could be distorted. How to pause waqf? If a pause is made at any word for any reason, in most cases the last letter of a word must be made sakin. Exception Fatatan and letter Ta. Dhurriyatan tayyibah. Tayyibah. Right? And when you stop at the end of the verse, okay, the last letter Ta to Zabartan would be changed. Dhurriyatan tayyibah. Al-Fafa. Okay? Al-Fafa. Adha. If a pause is made over a tashdid letter at the end of a word, it haraka will drop, but the letter must be pronounced with force in order to distinguish between a sukoon and a tashdid. Watab, watab, abi lahabin watab. There are many other punctuation marks that generally appears in the middle or end of a verse. The detail of this is beyond the scope of this course. As a general rule for the beginner, make a pause whenever one finds such marks. Normally, okay, Waqfa, Salli, and Qif, Qaf, Ta, Sin, Jim, Meem, and Za. Exception Lam. Ar-Rajim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Wallahu. You will read this Ism Jalalat with the Tafkhim. The meaning of Tafkhim, bold, heavily, strongly. You will read Allah name Ism Jalalat because there is a zabar before Ism Jalalat. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Tani noon, substitution of tanween. An Arabic grammar rule in some instances: if there is a letter with tanween and next letter is hamza, then the tanween is written into two separate components. Number one, tanween will change to corresponding single vowel and pesh, zer, and sabar. Number two, a tani noon with kasra is written under letter hamza. Qadirun, qadirun, illadhi will be changed into qadirun illadhi, qadirun illadhi. This is the Noonqutni here. Ana, okay, it will be wrong when you read like this, okay. The rules of ana. If anywhere in the Quran the word ana, okay, appears, it will be read as if it is ana, ana, okay. You don't touch ana, it will be wrong. Correct is this, ana. Notice the second alif, which was connected to the Noon Zabanna, is ignored. You would like to this video, and I would like to thank you very much for watching this video. Allah